Why do industries cause distrust in ecological overexploitation? Have you ever wondered why so many people are skeptical about industries and their impact on the environment? The answer lies in the concept of ecological overexploitation. This term refers to the practice of using natural resources at a rate faster than they can replenish. Industries often relying on these resources for their operations, leading to significant environmental harm and loss of biodiversity. When industries extract raw materials like minerals, fossil fuels, timber, and water, they frequently do so without considering the long-term effects. For example, mining can destroy entire landscapes and pollute surrounding soil and water. Excessive water use in factories can drain wetlands, reducing water availability for both ecosystems and communities. These practices contribute to habitat loss, soil degradation, and pollution, which all threaten biodiversity. The focus on economic growth often overshadows the need for sustainable resource management. Industries tend to prioritize short-term profits over the health of our planet. This pattern has led to a history of resource exploitation without adequate environmental protections. As a result, public trust has eroded, especially when people see the visible damage caused by industrial activities. From a conservation standpoint, the consequences of industrial overexploitation are alarming. Loss of biodiversity occurs as species face decline or extinction due to habitat destruction and pollution. Ecosystems become disrupted, leading to altered water cycles and reduced services like carbon storage and water purification. Resource depletion also becomes a pressing issue, with soils losing fertility and fish stocks collapsing, which threatens food security. This disconnect between industrial practices and ecological sustainability fuels distrust among the public. People are increasingly calling for stricter regulations and more responsible practices. They want industries to adopt sustainable production methods and be held accountable for their environmental impact. Efforts to restore degraded ecosystems and promote renewable energy sources are gaining traction. Transparent environmental reporting can help rebuild trust by showing that industries are committed to reducing their ecological footprint. By adopting circular economy principles, industries can demonstrate a genuine effort to minimize overexploitation. In essence, industries cause distrust in ecological overexploitation because their actions often harm the environment and biodiversity. This conflict between industrial growth and ecological limits raises concerns about priorities. As the public becomes more aware of these issues, the demand for responsible and sustainable practices continues to grow.